So children, let's start with the exercise 2.2. Question number 1. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at first x is equal to 0. So what you have to do is that you have to substitute x in place of x, you have to substitute 0. So what we get, p of x is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So in place of this x, you have to write 0. Is it? So what will become? 50 minus 4, 0 square plus 3. So this will become 0. It will become 0. And what will remain? 3. So your answer p of 0 is 3. Now let us check it at x is equal to minus 1. So p of x is equal to, in place of x, what you have to write? Minus 1. So x minus 1, is it? Minus 1 square. And there is no x here, so plus 3. Is it? Minus into 5 is minus 5. Now this minus, square of minus will become plus. So it will be 4 into 1. That is plus 3 and plus 3. Is it? So minus 4, minus 5, minus 4 plus 3. Addition of this is minus 9. Plus minus minus. Is it? So 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is what? 6. Which number is a greater? 9. What is the sign of it? Minus. So it will become minus 6. Is it? Check it at x is equal to 2. So p of x. So in place of x, what you have to write? 2. So p of 2 is equal to 5 in the bracket 2 minus 4, 2 square plus 3. Is it? So 5 2s are 10. What is the square of 2? 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16. So it will become 16 plus 3. Now, what is that? 10 and 3. Both are same sign, plus. So you add it. 10 plus 3 is 13. Now plus minus again. So what will be? 16 minus 13. 16 minus 13 is what? Answer is 3. Which number is a greater? 16. What is the sign of it? Minus. So it will become minus 3. So let's move on to second question. The same way you have to do. Find p of 0, p of 1, p of 2 for each of the following polynomials. Is it? So first find p of 0. So instead of y, you have to place what? 0. So 0 square minus 0. So this will become 0. So will be 1. Now p of 1 you have to find. So in place of y, you have to write 1. So 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So 1 square is 1. Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 will cancel out. Answer will be 1. Now we have to find p of 2. So what you have to do? In place of x, you have to write 2. So 2 whole square, 2 2s are 4. And this is 2. So minus 2 plus 1. Is it? So 4 plus 1, it will become 5. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Is it? Now let's check p of t. Here also pt is given, where we have to find for value of p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. Is it? So p of 0. P of 0 means in place of t, you have to write 0 here. You have to write 0 here. You have to write 0 here. If you place 0 there, what will get? 2. T is 0. So this will also 0. And this t cube will also become 0. This entire expression will become 0. What left with? 2. Now p of 1. Is it? So in place of t, you have to write 1. 2 plus, in place of t, you have to write 1. Plus 2. 1 square minus 1 cube. What is the 1 of cube? 1. What is the square of 1? 1. Is it? 1 is 1. Is it? So 2. So you will get 2 plus 1 plus 2 ones are 2. And this is minus 1. So if you add it, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So or we can cancel out this minus plus minus and plus. The what left with? 2 2s are 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Is it? Now p of 2. So what you have to do? You have to place, in place of t, you have to place 2. Is it? So 2 in place of t is 2 plus 2 in place of t square, 2 square. And in place of t cube, you have to write 2 cube. What is a 2 cube? 8. What is a 2 square? 4. 2 2s are 4. Is it? So 4. It is 2. If you simplify this, What you get? Plus 8 and minus 8 will cancel out. Plus 8 and minus 8 will cancel out. What left with? 2 plus 2, that is 4. That's it. Now third expression, here also we have to check it for, we have to find out the value of P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. Place 0 here, so 0 cube is 0. 1, P of 1, so 1 cube, 1. 2, so 2 cube is what? 8. 2 into 2 into 2. Is it? So let's move on to that one. Now next question, fourth one. P of x is equal to x minus 1, x plus 1. You can simplify it, x square minus 1 also, or you can directly substitute. X is 0, so minus 1 left from here, plus 1 left. Multiplication of minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. P of 1, is it? So in place of x you have to write 1, so 1 minus 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. So 0 into 2 is 0. Now you have to take 2. P of 2. So in place of x you have to write 2. So 2 minus 1, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 into 1, 3. Okay. Now let's move on to the third question. Verify whether the following are the zeros of polynomials. Indicate against them. Whether this is, we have to check whether Px is given to us as 3x plus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 by 3. We have to check whether it is the zeros of polynomials or not. How to check the zeros of polynomial? You have to substitute the value of x in this expression, and if Px becomes 0, then this x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is the zeros of the given polynomials. Is it? How to check it that? See, what is it here? Px is equal to 3x plus 1. What is the value of x? X is given as minus 1 by 3. If you place the minus 1 by 3 in place of x here, and after simplification, if your answer comes 0, then what we say? X is equal to minus 1 by 3 is the zeros of given polynomials. So let's check out. X is equal to minus 1 by 3. So P 1 by 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So 3 and 3 cancel out. Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 comes to be 0. So P of minus 1 by 3 becomes 0. So 1 by 3 is the zeros of the given polynomials 3x plus 1. Is it? Here also you have to check it like this. P of x is equal to 5x minus pi. Is it? Pi. X is equal to 4 by 3. If you substitute and find out the value of x, x is equal to 4 by 3. So P 4 by 3 is equal to 5 into, in place of x, 4 by 5. So 5 and 5 cancel out, 4. 4 minus pi, which is never equal to 0. Why? Because pi is a constant number. Okay? Understand? So it will never become 0, and therefore this is what you say, 4 by 5 is not a zeros of the given polynomials 5x minus 5. No. P of x is equal to x square minus 1. We have to check it. X is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 1. Whether it is given, whether they are the zeros of the given polynomials or not. First substitute x is equal to 1 in here. So what will become? P of 1. P of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. P of minus 1, again minus 1 square is 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. So 1 and minus 1 are the zeros of given polynomials. Is it? Now the fourth one, Px is equal to x plus 1, x minus 2. We have to check whether minus 1 and 2 are the polynomials or not. Is it? Substitute P of, in place of x, minus 1. So P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 minus 2. So minus minus means same sign. You have to add it, so it will become minus 3. This will minus 1 and plus 1 becomes 0. So it is 0 into minus 3 is 0. So minus 1 is the zeros of the given polynomials. Let's the same way you check it for P of 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. 2 minus 2, plus 2 minus 2 is become 0. So 3 into 0, 0. So minus 1 and 2 are the zeros of the given polynomials. Is it? check it for like this. P of x is equal to x square, x is equal to 0, so 0. So zeros is the zeros of the given polynomial x square. Okay, px is equal to L x plus m, where x is equal to minus m upon L. If you substitute in place of x as minus m upon L, so you will get p minus m upon L is equal to, in place of x, minus m upon L. So L and L will cancel out, so we'll get minus m plus m. Minus m plus m, 0. So minus m upon L is the zeros of the given polynomials. Is it? Okay. Let's move on to 7th question. P of x is equal to x square minus 1, where x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. If you substitute, first you take it as x minus 1 by root 3. So p is equal to minus 1 by root 3, 3 into minus 1 by root 3 square minus 1. So this will cancel out. We'll get minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Same way, substitute p, find out the value of p 2 by root 3. If we substitute 2 by root 3, then 2 root 3 whole square. 2 2s are 4 and square of the root 3 is 3. So 3 and 3 cancel out. What do you get? 4. 4 minus 1, 3. It is not equal to 0. So 2 by root 3 is not a zeros of the given polynomials. Is it? Okay. Let's move on to 8th question. P of x is equal to 2x plus 1, where x is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute. In place of x, you write 1 by 2. So 2 and 2 will cancel out. 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 is not the zeros of the given polynomial because it does not become 0. Is it? Now, find out the zeros of the polynomials in each of the following cases. For finding this, what you have to do it? P of x should be equate to 0. To find the zeros of px, equate p of x is equal to 0. So in places p of x is equal to 0 means x plus 5 is equal to 0, plus x plus 5 will go on that side, will become minus, so x is equal to minus 5. So minus 5 is the zeros of the polynomial x plus 5. Is it? Now here also px is equal to x minus 5. What you have to do? Equate p of x is equal to 0. If you equate p of x is equal to 0, in places x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5. So 5 is the zeros of px x minus. Is it? Now check it for px is equal to 2x plus 5. To find out the zeros of px, equate p of x is equal to 0. In places 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 5. And what is the relation of x and 2? Multiplication, so it will be divided. So x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 is the zeros of px. Is it? Px is equal to 2x plus 5. Similarly, you have to find here, it is p of x is equal to 3x minus 2. So equate it to 0. So 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus will go on that side, it will become plus. Relation of 3 and x is multiplication, so it will go in division. So x is equal to 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is the zeros of px. Okay, 3x minus 2. Is it? This is the way you have to write. Is it? So now equate 3x. So find out the 0, you have to equate p of x is equal to 0 means 3x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. 6. P of x is equal to ax, where a is not equal to 0. To find out the zeros, equate p of x is equal to 0. So ax is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 because a is not equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. So 0 is the zeros of px is equal to ax. Now find out the px. Okay, zeros of it. Px is equal to cx plus d. Okay, to find out the real value of this, equate it to 0. So cx plus d is equal to 0. So plus d will move on the other side, so it will become minus. So cx is equal to minus d. And what is the relation of x and c? It is multiplication. So c will go in division. So x is equal to minus d by c. So d by c is the zeros of px. Thank you.